Hi, everybody. This is Jerry Garrettson, Tabia Law. And let's go ahead and start right here. Okay. And one evening and the morning were the fifth day. I want to talk about going back a little bit of what we've been talking about recently, the history of our immigration law in the United States. So, of course, the first 100 years is 1776 to 1875, pretty much the open door policy, unimpeded immigration. And I'm not talking about 2021. I'm talking about between 1776 and 1875. But that was true open door policy. And we can look at some of the laws that were passed during that time. But just quickly, I just want to get a quick overview before we do a deep dive on probably each one of these areas over the next coming weeks, months. So open door, then you have the Naturalization Act of 1790. We spoke a little bit about that not long ago. The Alien and Sedition Acts of 1798. It's a big deal. The Naturalization Act increased residence period from 5 to 14 years. We touched a little bit on that. The Alien Act authorized the president to expel dangerous aliens. The Aliens Enemies Act. The Steerage Act of 1819 limited the number of the passengers and required the maintenance of passenger lists. Act to encourage immigration of 1864. So that's different. We're looking to encourage. So we needed people to come into the country. And the truth of the matter, we always have need and still need to have legal, good, healthy immigration. People coming in that we need to keep our economy vibrant and to have our country succeed and move forward. So immigration's fantastic. It's spectacular. The major controversy today, as it's been in the past, is legal immigration versus illegal immigration. And the United States is not alone in this quandary. Every country deals with this, and it poses promise and danger, right? The promise of new immigrants coming in and bettering and furthering our country versus the potential of folks that are coming in that are not looking to help this country and to put this country's interest in their best interest, right? Or in its best interest. So let's move on here. The acts. Okay, so we have that. And then we're going to go to a different whole section here. So we got the first 100 years, and then we have the first immigration restrictions from 1875 to 1917. The Act of March 3rd, 1875, the Page Act, provided for the exclusion of convicts and prostitution, but no grounds of deportation. Yeah, the Chinese Exclusion Act of 1882, which provided for the exclusion of persons from China. Then you have the Immigration Act of 1882. You have the Alien Contract Labor Laws of 1885 and 1888. You have the Immigration Act of 1891, the 1903 amendments, the Immigration Act of 1907, the Gentleman's Agreement with Japan. And then you move on to the third major area of immigration law, which is characterized here as the first quota systems, 1917 through 1951. And I think we'll stop right there. So anyways, you have a good night. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thank you.